Why do some turtles live over 100 years? Because they're cared for the right way. Let's learn how you can give your turtle a happy, healthy life. First, your turtle needs a cozy home called A. Think of it as their mini jungle. Add a water area for swimming and a dry spot for sunbathing, because turtles love to soak up the sun just like you at the beach. Next, food. Most turtles eat a mix of veggies, fruits, and even bugs. Yep, bugs. Gross, but tasty for them. Just make sure you know what's safe for your turtle to munch on. And guess what? Turtles don't just drink water, they swim in it too. Keep their water clean and fresh, or they could get sick. Nobody wants a grumpy turtle, right? Finally, don't forget to handle your turtle gently. Turtles may have hard shells, but they can still get scared. Show them you're their best buddy by being kind and patient. Taking care of a turtle is a big job, but it's also super rewarding. So are you ready to be the best turtle caretaker ever? Your turtle is counting on you.